Hello everyone and welcome to Indice Tech. My name is Okwong and welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use the Loft feature to design this belt buckle that you see on the screen. To accomplish this, we are going to use planes. We'll use the sketch feature, the line tool, circle to spline to Extruded Boss base, Revolved Boss base, Extruded Cut, Loft. We're going to learn how to add relations as well. This is a belt buckle that's on the screen. I've said it before, and we're going to see how to go about designing this. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to open a new part. The first thing I'm going to do is open the front plane and sketch a rectangle. The dimensions for this rectangle should be 16 by 3. Then I'm going to create a reference plane. Create a reference plane, let's say 90 mm from using the front plane as my first reference. I have created a plane 90 mm from the front plane, and now I'm going to sketch on this new plane another rectangle. Okay, no, let's make it a corner rectangle this time. Okay, small dimension, let's make it 16, and this one should be 8. Let's say 8.5. And then you can see that we have two bodies that we can join using the loft feature. I'm going to try using the loft feature now. Let's see if we can create. Okay, now this is a successful loft, but it's not what we want. We need some curvature on the top here and on the bottom here. So we're going to exit this loft, and what we're going to do is we're going to add some guide curves. We will add some guide curves on the top and bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a sketch on the right plane like so. And then we're going to use the spline tool. Oh, sorry, I forgot to fillet. Now we're going to use the spline tool to create a curve. Okay, we have created a successful curve. Hold on, it's too wide. I'm going to do that one again. Okay, I think this is a lot better. Just move this one up. Very good. So, let's see, it is our view from the top. Okay, very nice. Now, once you open the exit the sketch first of all, and I'm going to open the loft feature. This and this. Then I'm going to click on guide curves, select this one, and I'll select this one. So as you can see, the loft takes the shape of the guide curves. Okay, that was the hardest part. Now we're going to make it look a bit more like a real belt buckle. So I'm going to click on this face here. I'm going to open a sketch. Like so. You can dimension this as 8.5. Okay, I'm going to add a small arc. Okay, now I'm going to dimension them. Now, before we add the dimensions, it is important that we close out the sketch. I'll close the sketch by adding this. You can see that the sketch has been closed and it has assumed the color of the component. Okay, then this is a sketch with all the dimensions. The next thing I'm going to do is to extrude it. I click on Extruded Boss space, flip it to the other direction. The whole length of this thing was, let me just keep increasing. Yup, 60 mm. I click on OK. Now the next thing I'm going to do is create another sketch on this face right here. Then I'm going to create a rectangle. Click here, click here. Okay, yes, we are good to go. Just going to add some dimensions. This should be 1. Okay, too small. Let's make it 2. Um, okay, this is a sketch that was created, and now we are going to use the Revolved feature to revolve it. And there we go. We have our belt buckle. I'm going to add an appearance, turn the belt buckle to gold because why not? So yeah, we use the Loft feature to create this. We also used Extruded Cut, Extrude, Revolve, and a lot of other tools to create this. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching.